Our 17A guardianship project actually came about through serendipity. I was speaking with Surrogate Glenn, and she was bemoaning the fact that she had many families who come to her court in desperate need of assistance in becoming guardians of their developmentally disabled relatives. And we looked at each other and said, this is something that law students could help with. Students got a chance to meet the judge and to meet the clerk, who generously said, anytime you have a question, call me. And we did call her.
Our case was about a mother who was trying to obtain guardianship over her now adult son. He was 22 years old, and she needed to have legal guardianship over him so that she could make medical decisions for him and financial decisions. And I remember the butterflies in my stomach because I wanted to do a good job. I wanted to help her get guardianship over her son. And I also wanted her to feel comfortable with me and for her to trust us.
My case involved a younger sister trying to apply for guardianship for her older sister. After we had our interview, that was when we realized that her half-brothers live in Dominican Republic. So we needed to check and research how we can serve someone abroad.
The Guardianship Project really was a collective learning experience. There are a stack of papers 1.5 inches high that these families have to wade their way through. We learned what they were, why the statute required various types of things, what kinds of questions to ask.
What I learned from this project is that it prepped me how to conduct client intakes and how to prepare myself for the real world challenges, because any unexpected events may occur with your client's case. Like in our case, we didn't know that, service of process abroad would be difficult.
The great thing about law school and also about the guardianship course is it made me step back and not work in the same way that I have learned to work over my professional career. So rather than just hone in on the right answer quickly, I had to step back and learn more about my client and the way she preferred to work.
Whether it's corporate, family, civil, criminal, we tend to forget the person behind the case itself that we're trying to help, and this project brings back that human factor. And for prospective students, I think if you have a chance, take this class.